Hi, I am Kaye Collier, a museum educator at Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art, and this is a close-looking exercise in your My Museum kit. In this video, we will be exploring Rough, Ain't It? By Grace Hartigan. Before we begin our discussion, let's take a moment to view the artwork by letting our eyes wander around the image. Look carefully from top to bottom and side to side, paying close attention to all of the details you see. You can pause the video now to give yourself a few moments to look. As you do, take a moment to write down words or short phrases that you would use to describe what you are seeing. What did you notice as you looked closely at this artwork? Perhaps you noticed the shapes and colors. What does this artwork look like to you? Does it look like something you recognize, or are you not sure what it is supposed to be? This type of art is called abstract expressionism, and it's okay to be unsure of what it is when you look at it. Abstract expressionism art is fun to explore because we each get to say what we think it looks like, and there are no wrong answers. Abstract expressionism is also great for helping us express our emotions. Since art in this style doesn't depend on recognizable shapes, it allows us to express complicated things that are hard to define, like how we feel. Also, just like there are no wrong answers for what we see in abstract art, there are also no wrong answers for how we feel. Take a moment now to pause the video and write down a few words describing how you feel when you look at this piece. Do you notice anything else besides colors and shapes in this work of art? That's right, there are words written into the artwork. The artist has written the words "rough, ain't it?" in the artwork. Why do you think that she did that? What do you think those words mean? The artist, Grace Hartigan, seems to be giving us clues about her emotions and ideas in this art. One of the most radical changes that abstract expressionism introduced was the use of new materials beyond just canvas and paint. Do you see any unusual materials in this painting? Yes, Hartigan mixed sand into the paint to create a rough surface in this work of art. Do you think there is a connection between the sand in the art and the words in the art? Grace Hartigan was considered a leader in the abstract expressionism art movement in the mid-20th century. At this time, women artists were not taken seriously and were not considered equal to male artists. She was an example of a strong, independent female artist, and she led the way for other women artists to succeed in the art world. Hartigan believed that art should express the unique inner world of the artist. She said, "Painting must have content and emotion." Abstract expressionism is a visual language of self-expression. By using abstract expressionism to create this work of art, Hartigan has shown us that our ideas and emotions can be expressed freely and creatively, and that we can explore thoughts and feelings other than our own by looking closely at art that is created by others. Thank you for watching. Now please feel free to go to the art making video that is related to Rough, Ain't It? Remember to keep in mind what you've learned here as you have fun making some interesting and wonderful art.